Hi, welcome back. Keypads represent an intuitive way for people to provide input to gadgets and computers. You'll find them in elevators, microwave ovens, TV remote controls, phones, and countless other machines that we interact with daily. Sooner or later, you'll need to provide alphanumerical input to your gadgets via a keypad, and in this lecture I'll show you how. Keypads come in a variety of sizes and styles. Some are using push buttons, others use touch buttons. Some are organized in 3 rows with 3 columns each, others with 3 rows and 4 columns, and others with 4 rows and 4 columns. Regardless of all that, most keypads you're likely to use in your projects